Hi everyone, I'm Gareth and this is my colleague Gilly. We're both ex-primary school teachers and part of the education team with Clevertouch. And Clevertouch are really proud to announce the launch of the latest update to LYNX Whiteboard. That's our free to use presentation software, LYNX 8. 8 reasons to love LYNX 8 are the series of videos that you're now watching one of, and we hope you enjoy them.
Welcome to LYNX Whiteboard and another reason of why we love LYNX 8. In this one we're going to have a look at opening up our historical content. So you can open up your Word documents, your Google Slides, you can open up historical smart notebook files, Active Inspire, PowerPoint, Word and PDFs. So we'll have a little look at what they look like when you open them. So here we've got a Google Slide, so I'll just click on that link to take a little moment. So when it opens, it comes through as a flat PDF. So I can't move my text and things behind, but I can always go on, edit, annotate right over the top of it there as well. So you can see all those slides have come through there as well. If I just go back to this one, here we've got our smart notebook file. So if I click on this one and open that link there, you can see it comes through. I've got my files here. Now this time I can move items around. So if I wanted to quickly do a clone, so if I wanted to replicate those counters, I could quickly do that. So then when I was in presentation mode, I can have those counters that move across. So I don't want to save that while it's in presenting. So it's really nice and quick and easy again. Again, I've got all those different slides that have come through there as well. With the Active Inspire files, if I go into those ones, just to show you, again, it opens up, that comes through as a little image there, and then I've got my text. If I wanted to edit and improve or change it or change the date, I can absolutely do that there as well. And then we've got our Word doc. So this is Microsoft Word being brought in. Now it comes through as a flat image again, so it's like a PDF. I can't then go in and edit the text, but yet again, I can write over the top and things there as well and annotate and create more features there. Finally, we've got our PDF here. So when I click on it, I can zoom in, I can navigate through those pages, I can use the tools inside to annotate, write, change, edit over the top of it. Then come back out so you can see how quick and easy it is to reuse your previous lessons regardless of the format within LYNX Whiteboard.